Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my good name is Debbie. So today it's on a Sunday and it's around 5 p.m. in the evening, and this is the time I'm having my lunch. So your girl has been watching movies all the time, so it's now I've decided to take my lunch. Yeah, so let me take my food from there. I have ugali here and sukuma wiki. This piece is enough for me, and of course I'm a Kisii, and in our homestead you will never find a home without avocados or bananas. So I'm going to add my avocado to sukuma wiki. You see guys, bananas, we never lack bananas. We as Kisiis, we never lack bananas in our home. So I have banana and I have avocado, but for now I'm going to use the avocado. So let me wash it and then we start our eating. Let me show you how this food looks. Yummy. So just a minute. So that's how the food looks like. All right, so let's eat. And so guys, this week I decided to make timetable on what to eat. Guess where it is? There we have our timetable. I decided to make the timetable because every time, you know, I just found myself eating ugali, skuma, rice, beans, what. So I decided to at least think of some other foods to cook. Okay, so let's get to it and eat. Since immediately from here we are going to cook chapatis for supper. I'm not living alone, guys. I'm living in my brother's house, so after this I'm going to cook for them chapatis. Yeah, and is it called, what is it called, peas or what? Ndengu zinaitwaje? Peas, I guess, cow peas, something like that. So jina nimepoteaje. Anyways, let's not mind. Let me eat my food and then we go straight to cooking chapatis. So I'm already back in the house, and I'm going to need the dough for chapati. And schools are reopening tomorrow on Monday, and I need to hurry up cooking this chapati so that I can sleep as early, because I'm expected to be in class as early as 7 a.m. So let's do this. I have my hot oil here that I'm going to use in kneading the flour, and I have hot water. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Okay, let me look for somewhere to place this camera, somewhere that's high. So here I am, but still I'm too tall for these things. I'm too tall for the phone. Salt you can add depending on where your ancestors tells you that's enough. Just stop right there. So let's add until my ancestor says stop it, girl. Okay, there you go. Na hii kitu inataka mtu amekula jamani, ile nguvu yenye tunatumia hapa. point, the consistency should be like this. And then we add hot cooking oil. So let's add the oil. Joy, where? So guys, it's after 30 minutes and I'm back. So this is how the dough looks like. It already has bubbles, meaning this flour is well and it's going to bring soft chapatis, you see. So let's make, I'm going to make layered chapatis, so just watch and see. Let's start by making this thing. On the dough, when this unga has bubbles, let me show you the bubbles. I don't know if you're able to see the bubbles. So those bubbles means the chapatis are going to be soft. So, and then I'm going to apply oil again on top. Alright, so guys, I'm done folding them. Here they are, and don't count. So I have this small one. The bubbles I was telling you, they keep following it, meaning the chapatis are going to be soft. So let's cook, and I'm going to place them here. So yeah, let's cook chapatis. So guys, we are done making chapatis, and this is the final look. They're so soft. You can see layers over here. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you haven't, and like this video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.